everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you saw my video last week, you will know that I went shopping again. Oops. Basically decided to go shopping and treat myself because I handed in my university dissertation and I literally went from university, dropped off the dissertation and drove straight to Silverburn, which is a huge shopping centre in Glasgow. It's amazing and I got some really nice things. I just thought I would update my wardrobe for spring. Since I'd done my wardrobe clear out a couple of weeks ago, I thought that there was some gaps in my wardrobe and I think I've filled them. I've definitely got some really good things. So if you want to see what I got, then please do keep on watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate everyone who subscribes and I thank you so much for doing so. So if you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button and also give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And you can also go ahead and check me out on Instagram if you like. It's at @AlohaAmy_, and there's always lots of pink content on there as well as on here. So I went to Silverburn and I didn't really have a plan for exactly what I wanted. There was a few things I had ideas for, but it was just lovely to go in and have some time to look around and try on everything that I was loving. But before I went, I did make up a board on Pinterest of like some of my spring kind of outfit inspiration ideas. I had some ideas that I really liked, outfits that Zendaya wore and Romy Strigid and I think Blake Lively as well, and I just kind of put them on a board plus some other things that I'd seen online on shops, and I just kind of saved them onto a board, and then that gives me some ideas and just some inspiration to kind of base my looks off. And then I went shopping. If you want to check out my Pinterest, I think it's just Aloha Amy, but I'm always like on there as well. I love Pinterest. I love posting pretty pink things and inspirational things, so feel free to follow me if you like. But yeah, that is what I did and I had such a nice time, and I feel like it was so nice that I had finished off my university work and then I went shopping. It was just such a nice way to relax after such hard work. The first place I went to was Boux Avenue. I don't know if you can see the bag up behind me, but yeah, I went there and oh my goodness, it is such a nice shop. If you haven't been in there, highly recommend you go in. It's basically like Victoria's Secret but kind of smaller, so you can see everything. You can go around it and see absolutely everything in the shop, which is so nice because I find Victoria's Secret can sometimes be really overwhelming. Actually, it's always overwhelming. There's just too many things to look at. So I find that Boux Avenue is really great, and they do like underwear, pajamas, activewear, and also really nice things like slippers, perfume, body spray, and also like really cute little reed diffusers for your house that smell really good. So I'm definitely going to go and check them out next time. But I got some really lovely things. So the first thing I got was a set of satin cami pajamas. Basically they had like a kind of mix and match section, and I got these shorts. They're just this really beautiful lilac colour. They're satin with this really pretty baby pink eyelash lace detailing. I just think they're so cute, and they're really comfy as well. And you could get these in a matching top as well, or get a little nightie of this as well, and also I think a kind of kimono type robe thing that was really cute. So I picked up the shorts, and then instead of getting the matching top, I decided to get the pink top that kind of goes with it as well. You can kind of mix and match, and I got this really lovely cami top. It's kind of like a really pale pink, almost champagne colour, and again it's got that stunning eyelash detailing which I just love, and then it also crosses over at the back and there's a really cute little button, and I just think this is such a pretty little set. They go so nicely together and they're just so comfy and pretty. The sizes were a little bit random though. I did have to try them on. So this top is actually a size 12, even though I'm normally a size 8 in UK sizes. But I just found that it was quite tight around here, so I did have to go for a size 12. And luckily that's the only size they had left, so I was very lucky that that fitted. And then I think the shorts are a size 10. So yeah, I went for a little bit bigger just because I feel like you want to be super comfy when you're sleeping. You don't want your shorts to be like too tight and things. So I got another set of satin pyjamas, and I've shown these to a few people, and everyone who's seen them is like, oh my god, I need these, they're so nice. And this is them. So here are the shorts. They're just this amazing, really shiny pink with little black bows, and yeah, they're super cute. They're quite short, but they're lovely. And then the top that goes with them is this. It's just absolutely stunning, and it's really nice with the black lace and the pink shiny satin. I'm so obsessed with this, and they're so cute together. I feel like they're very Nigella, like the shiny satin. There's just something about it that just reminds me of like Nigella. Should like sneak down into the kitchen and have a snack in the evenings with this. The last thing I got from Boux Avenue, I just couldn't resist. I got this really cute little crop top, and it's just baby pink with white lace around the top, and honestly it's just so super cute and comfy. And I got it in a size 10 as well. Just when I buy like crop tops and things that go over my head, I always get them in a bigger size so that they like stretch over my head, because sometimes if they're too tight then it's just really awkward to get on. So a 10 is perfect, and yeah, I just thought this was super cute. And these pyjamas, by the way, were a size 8 and they fitted perfect, but the other ones are a size 12 and 10, just to confuse you. But yeah, Boux Avenue had some really beautiful things, and they definitely had more things that I wanted, so I really had to hold back, but I'm going to probably have to go back soon and get more things because they were really nice. And I just love having nice pyjamas. I think that going to bed in like lovely luxurious feeling pyjamas is just such a nice feeling, and it makes you feel like such a together woman. So the next shop that I went to was H&M, and let me tell you, I got some really good things. They had loads of sale racks, and sometimes I kind of tend to just ignore the sale racks because they're kind of overwhelming. I find that like the idea of raking through all of those racks, it's too much, so I tend to kind of just avoid that and go for the main section and pay full price. I don't know why, I'm just a bit silly, but I just don't really like doing that. However, they were quite organised. Everything was in colour order and also size order, so it was perfect. So I basically just looked for the pink and white section, and I got some really lovely things. So the first thing I got was inspired by one of the boards that I made on Pinterest, which was an outfit that Romy Strigid wore: white trousers and a pink satin camisole top. And I found this top, which it's slightly different to what Romy wore, but I just thought this was absolutely beautiful. It's a kind of more mauvey toned pink, I would say, quite cool toned, and it's just a kind of crinkly material, and it's got silver shimmers through it, and it's just so lovely. And it's kind of comes around the neck like this. There's a little sparkly button, and it's just really floaty, and I think it'll look really cute tucked into trousers or skirts and things, and I just think it'll be perfect for spring and summer. So then I got a really beautiful top. I'm obsessed with this. I already wore this a couple of times and I posted it on Instagram, and I'm obsessed with it. So it's this stunning white top. I don't know if you can really see properly, but basically it's like this long sleeve top, and then it's just got this lovely detailing down the centre with these cute little tassels, and it just sits really nicely off the shoulder. I often find that with off the shoulder things, I tend to avoid them unless they've got straps on them because they kind of fall down, but this doesn't. It just sits really nicely. The elastic is perfect, and it just sits really nicely on the shoulders, and then the sleeves are also kind of gathered as well, so it's really lovely and floaty, and it's not cropped. I wouldn't say it's cropped, but it's just slightly it's just a really nice length to wear with high-waisted jeans. And I have light wash high-waisted jeans that have white lace detailing on them. I got them last summer, and this top just looks perfect with them. It's going to be such a staple outfit for me in spring and summer, I can already tell. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this. Finally in H&M I found the perfect summer dress. I'm so happy about this because I was looking for a really cute summer dress. I always love a little skater dress in summertime. I think they look really cute, and also springtime as well, obviously. And I just love a skater dress in spring and summer, and for a while I was just not loving the colours that were available, and there weren't really that many choices, but H&M has always been one that I've managed to find really cute dresses in, and the last one I had was a kind of mint green floral dress, and it was really cute, but it kind of got a little bit too short, so I got this one, and I got it in a size 10 just to make sure that it was a little bit longer and it's not like indecently short. But this is the dress that I got. It's just a lovely white dress with these really cute little pink flowers, and it's just so cute. Perfect skater dress. I just love wearing a little dress like this with like little tennis shoes and a denim jacket on top. That's like my go-to look, and I just thought this was such a lovely pattern, and I love the pink as well. And I mentioned in my wardrobe organisation that I got this dress from ASOS a few weeks ago, and I think it's really cute. However, I mentioned that it was completely see-through, so I went to Next and I got a long line vest top, and I just got it in white, and this just goes underneath, and this isn't see-through anymore, so I'm free to wear this dress, and I'm so happy about it because it's really lovely. So I got that just to go underneath that. The next shop that I went to was River Island, and this isn't really a shop that I actually go into that often, but they had a pair of white trousers that I was after, and I'm obsessed with them. They're exactly what I was looking for, because I did in fact get rid of my last pair of white trousers in my wardrobe organisation video, and I found these new ones, and they're really perfect. They're such a lovely material, and this is what they look like. So they just have a really nice bow at the top, and they're kind of elasticy at the back, which is great. And yeah, they're just really lovely floaty white trousers. Have a little kind of cutout at the cuff, and they're just really lovely lightweight trousers, which are going to look perfect with that sparkly top and other tops as well. Just looking really cute and summery. And then the final item of clothing I found was also in the children's section of River Island. It wasn't online only, but I managed to order it in store, and it's perfect. Basically, I saw this and I thought it was really cute. However, they only go up to age 11-12, and I was like, there's no way I will fit into that. So I texted one of my friends who actually works in River Island, and she was like, no, you probably would fit into it, because I do. And so I ordered it anyway, and this comes in pink or baby blue, and obviously I got it in pink, but the blue is lovely as well, and it actually fits. I'm genuinely shocked that this dress fits me. This amazing baby pink Bordeaux skater dress, like I said before, it's my go-to in spring and summer to wear a little skater dress, and this one's just so lovely. It's got this amazing silver button detail, and then the straps, which are great because, like I said, quite often these kind of Bordeaux tops do slip down on me. But yeah, I just really thought this was such a lovely colour. It's literally the exact same colour as my Ted Baker bag, so it was perfect. So I also ordered some things from Coconut Lane because I wanted to get a new phone case, because my last one got broken quite annoyingly at work. So I got this one from Coconut Lane, and it's this really lovely pink colour, and it says "Thank you next," and I just thought that was really cute. I really like the writing and the colour. And then I also got a rose gold phone ring, and let me tell you, this has been amazing. I've literally had this for about a week, and I don't know why I haven't ever had one of these on my phone before. I just hold my phone like this now, and I like do all of this, and I don't throw my phone away. It's amazing. I just love this. I think it's such a good idea. It's amazing when your hands are full, you know, like when you're getting out of the car and you've got all of your shopping and you don't drop your phone, because this is just hooked on. It's amazing, and it looks kind of cute as well on the back of my phone. So I really love this little phone ring. So I also got some sunglasses, and these are really cute. I know that Coconut Lane have new sunglasses in as well for summer, and they're so nice. Rose gold sunglasses. These are so funky, and they just have such nice detailing. I'm just really obsessed with them. I got a new laptop case because I just kind of wanted one, and so I got a really pretty pink marble MacBook case, and honestly this is so pretty. It fits my aesthetic completely, and literally it matches my nails right now and my curtains and everything around me. It's perfect. So I'm obsessed with this, and it's exactly what I need because I am quite rough with my laptop when I'm taking it like to university. It's in and out of my bag all the time, in and out of the car, so I really do need a case on it. So this is absolutely perfect for me, and it's pink, so what more could you want? And don't forget that you can use the code AlohaAmy20 at the checkout on Coconut Lane to get 20% off your order, which is amazing. And thank you so much to Coconut Lane for allowing me to give that discount code to you guys. So that is everything that I bought for spring. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to be posting lots and lots of outfit pictures on Instagram, so keep an eye out on there. And I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed and are watching my videos. I really appreciate you all, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!